Hey guys, and welcome back to another Noble video. As you may know, the interior of your vehicle is one of the most important parts. You spend all of your time in here, so it should be exactly how you want it. That's why I don't understand why some manufacturers cheap out on the interior so much, Subaru being one of them. As you may know, if you have a base model 15 Plus WRX or most base model Subarus, they do not come with LED interior lights. LEDs are cheap, they're affordable, and there's no reason Subaru can't put them in from factory. So today we have the solution for you, and that is our Noble 3-chip LED Festoon bulbs. I would suggest getting 2 packs. They're about $10 a pack, and they come with 2. You're going to need 3 of these to replace all your interior lights. So you'll get 2 packs, and you'll have 3 plus a spare. So we're going to have 2 in the front and 1 in the middle. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to replace them. So when you're looking at your front light assembly, there's going to be 2 little tabs. We're going to just kind of take a pry tool and push up on there. Just be careful because using something metal like what I'm using could scratch, but I'm not too worried about it. Go ahead and pop that off. I actually have a generic AutoZone LED bulb in here, and that was actually pretty expensive. It may be hard to see in the daytime, but you can definitely tell that Noble one is much brighter, and it's actually not even pointing straight down now that I look at it, but you can see the difference in brightness. This one actually has like an eggshell finish on the outside, which really dulls down the light, and I really don't like that. So we're going to go ahead and replace that one with another Noble one, and let me show you how to do that. So replacing this bulb is fairly easy. Just go ahead and grab it with your fingers, pop it out. It may actually help to grab the prongs and just pull them a little bit, just to kind of stretch them closer to the bulb. Each bulb is going to be a little bit of a different size, but these all should be universal. And then we are going to carefully pop that in place, and we're good to go. We're going to do that with the one right here on this side. So now take your cover and just slide that back on and press it in place. So back here, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to turn the light off. Take a pry tool and just push in a little bit, and this is going to pop out. Now we can remove our overpriced dim LED. And now we can replace it with our Noble, reasonably priced, much brighter LED. So then we can put our cover back on, snap that into place, put that back to the door setting, and we're good to go. I will get you guys a quick shot of it at nighttime. So these are a huge improvement over the halogen bulbs, and even if you have the factory LED bulbs, these are going to be brighter than the factory LED bulbs, and they're just so nice. Like when you're fumbling around at nighttime trying to find something in your car, boom, you flick the freaking light on and you can see everything. And it is just really nice being able to do that. So these are a very affordable mod, and it's a quality of life mod is what I would call this thing. It's very rewarding installing these, and they're super easy to install, very cheap. And so, yeah, you should definitely check them out. Again, even if your vehicle has LEDs, if you want them just a little bit brighter, these are going to be your solution. So, thanks for checking out the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.